Okay, here we have a 1999 KX60B. Nice little bike, not cosmetically great, but nothing's broke, nothing's damaged, nothing leaked in the garage overnight while we got it. It's got a brand new rear tire on it, on the rim, nice Excel rim. Same in the front, tire's worn. Radiator's nice and straight. Renthal bars with a Renthal pad. All the cables are good. Everything's decent. It's got an ATS seat cover on it with a gripper seat. Everything works well. Everything's snug. Stock exhaust, but no dents or dings. Pretty much trail-ridden bike. It starts right up. Let me choke it here. Good solid compression for a little bike. Brakes work good. Controls are all good. So if you need any parts for a KX60B, they're pretty much universal for the whole production run. Look down below. You can see how to get a hold of us at recycled.saved@yahoo.com. And as quickly as we can, we'll get parts listed out there on eBay, or look at our channel to see if there's other bikes out there that you need parts off of. Last KX60 we did, a lot of it ended up on modified little mini bike pit bike projects. That's it. Thanks for looking. Hope you're shopping. Hope we can keep our bikes running by helping you keep your bikes running.